In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly export a logo from Adobe Illustrator into an SVG file, which is perfect for web use. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure that your logo artwork is ready for export. This means all elements should be in vector format. Check that your artboard size is set correctly and that any bleed has been removed. Additionally, it's a good idea to convert fonts into paths to avoid any potential font embedding issues later on. Once your logo is prepared, open up Illustrator and navigate to the top menu. Here, you'll want to go to File and then Export. Depending on your version of Illustrator, you'll either see Export As, or if you're using a newer version, Export directly to SVG. This step is crucial, as SVG is ideal for web-based logos due to its scalability and relatively small file size. Now, should you only intend to export a specific object instead of the entire artboard, you'll choose Export Selection and then select SVG. This feature allows you to focus on precisely what you need without the extra surrounding elements. When you proceed to the next step, you'll encounter a dialog box where you'll decide on a few settings. Begin by selecting SVG as your format. You also have the option to use artboards if you want the export to exactly match your artboard dimensions rather than capturing all objects in the file. Clicking on Export will bring you to the SVG Options panel, where optimization settings can be applied to tailor the file for web use. Let's go over some of the recommended settings for a logo that's destined for a website. In the Styling section, choose Presentation Attributes. This choice encourages clean SVG files with styling attributes such as fill and stroke easily overridden with CSS later. Regarding fonts, often it's best to convert them to outlines if you wish to avoid potential issues with font availability online. If your approach allows for hosting these fonts, you might opt to keep them as SVG text, but converting to outlines remains safer for consistency. Keep in mind, though, converting to outlines sacrifices some editability for stability. For decimal places, adjusting to 2 to 3 decimals usually suffices, which helps reduce file size. If you have a complicated logo, you might increase it slightly to 4 or 5. Minify your SVG files if the option is available. This reduces unnecessary whitespace and metadata, streamlining the file further. The responsiveness setting will depend on your needs. Uncheck if you want fixed dimensions, or check if you plan on handling sizing through CSS or viewport settings. Choose encoding. Typically, UTF-8 works well, and then decide on object IDs and classes. Selecting minimal is often enough unless you require specific scripting or CSS hooks, in which case you might use your layer names. Once all settings are in place, click OK to save your .svg file. Be sure to test this SVG file by viewing it in a browser or integrating it onto your website to ensure it scales perfectly without unexpected artifacts. Lastly, keep your original Illustrator to AI file safe so that you can re-export or modify the export settings should you need to make updates in the future. That's all there is to it. Happy exporting, and keep creating those stunning logos.